make sure this is not too loud. All right, there we go. All right, we're gonna watch some Fail Army first, okay? 3 strikes, thanks for the gift sub. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, I hope that wasn't a fragile package. Wait, he tripped over dog food? Oh no. Oh!
Cheers, guys.
What a nice cozy setup. Whoa, oh my god!
Ow!
What the hell happened? Sunny-sama, thanks so much for the gift sub.
Okay? You alright? Are you alright?
I love your name. Wow. Oh shit. They're like super drunk. You basically showed. Oh my god. Oh no. What is that? That looks kind of sus. Oh. Oh. Ow.
Got him that way. I don't know how we're going to carry him, though. Nope, 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 nope.
No, no.
Russell? Russell, come here, buddy.
Oh my god. It's kind of funny. Oh my. I don't have one of those, but I used to know somebody who had them, and that happens quite often. Bonk. Ooh. Oh, it's one of those oh my god, I hope those are deep though, not like in won't even say that. Oh. Spagoosh. She doesn't even care. Oh no. Is he okay? Oh my god. I hope he's okay. There's a lot of motorbike. Oh no. Oh my god, his ass. He's mooning the camera. Is it gonna fall over? It's gonna fall over. No! Oof. I hope that's not salt or anything. I think that is actually salt. There's something similar to it. It's all the balls. Goodbye, balls. Oh my god, look at them all. I love the sound. The sound is so nice. Oh my god, it's marbles. It's marbles, guys. It's in real life marbles.
That's what happens when Daddy cooks.
Oh my god, they need to open up the window. Also, it's one of those, it's like the ones that don't have fire on them. Oh, whoa. Yikes, that like burned right through. Yeah, it's one of those that don't have fire in them.
Touch-up job.
Wait a second. What?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
That's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, see how she looks. Yeah, touch-up looks good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof. Just kicked her in the face. Oh, is it so nasty? It's a little too much for you, bro. It's the Amazon delivery. I sure wish mine were so patient. They just throw things. Oh my, wait. What? What? Is this what happened to my package? Is that what happened to my package?
With killing, I like a little.
What the actual hell? Is that what happened to my package?
Oh, hi, baby. Oh, they left you alone. You want to come home, honey?
Uh-oh. That once happened to me too. It was really embarrassing.
She told so he could have drowned.
You better install a camera on your porch. You're right. Did the fish go up his ass? That would have been hilarious. I mean, I wouldn't put it past the fish.
Sweetie. Takes a massive ass fart in his face. The microwave's still cooking.
She ate your peanuts. Miley's a girl.
No, Miley is my girl. Miley is a girl.
Miley is a girl. What did she eat?
Miley ate my peanuts.
He ate my peanuts.